Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some rare and clever life hacks that can make your daily routine easier and more efficient. Let's jump right in. Ever struggled with a stripped screw? Try placing a rubber band over the screw head before using your screwdriver. The rubber band provides extra grip, making it easier to turn and remove the stubborn screw. Don't throw away those plastic bread clips. Use them to organize and label cords. Simply attach a clip to the end of each cord and write the device name on it for easy identification. Restore the shine to tarnished brass items by rubbing them with lemon juice and a sprinkle of baking soda. The natural acidity of lemon juice helps dissolve tarnish, leaving your brass looking like new. Clean your keyboard with ease using a sticky part of a post-it note. Slide the adhesive side between the keys to lift out dirt and crumbs. It's a quick and effective way to keep your keyboard tidy. Remove stubborn stickers or labels from surfaces using a hairdryer. Heat the sticker for a few seconds to loosen the adhesive, then peel it off effortlessly without leaving residue behind. Create a makeshift funnel from a plastic bottle cap. Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle, then attach the cap upside down. Now you have a handy funnel for transferring liquids without spills. Color code your keys with nail polish for easy identification. Paint the tops of each key with different colors to distinguish them quickly and prevent mix-ups. Make a DIY ice pack by soaking a sponge in water, placing it in a resealable bag, and freezing it. This flexible ice pack molds around injuries and stays cold longer than traditional ice cubes. Use a clothespin to keep your toothbrush elevated and away from surfaces in the bathroom. Simply clip the toothbrush handle into the clothespin and attach it to the edge of a cup or shelf. Sterilize kitchen sponges by microwaving them on high for 1 minute. This kills bacteria and removes odors, extending the life of your sponges and keeping them fresh. And there you have it, 10 rare life hacks that can simplify your life in unexpected ways. Which hack are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.